Hi there, guys.
Welcome.
Welcome to our channel,
Silver
Silver Fanatics,
Fanatics.
guys. Okay, growing channel, guys. All right. Okay, guys. In today's video, guys, it's a review, guys, of our stack, guys. We're just doing a review of our stack, guys. Okay, this is the stack, guys, in front of you, guys. It has grown, guys. Okay, new addition to the stack, guys. There are coins that have been added to the stack, guys. If you follow our channel, you will see which coins that we've added to the stack, guys. Okay, all right. Okay, guys. Mostly this channel, guys, we just want to inspire, okay, motivate. Yes, guys,
those new stickers.
Those new stickers, guys, as
like
we always say, guys, like us, guys. Okay, I feel they get motivated, guys, because when we started, guys, it was a joke, guys. Okay, it was a really joke. Our first video, guys, was just one of these coins, guys. It was just one of these coins. I was just showing it like this, guys, as one, guys. One Kruger, and that was our starting point, guys. Okay, it was just this coin, this one. This was our video, guys. As the background is black, guys, it was like that. There was nothing on the background. It was just this coin holding it like this. That's when we started, guys. It was we were just saying ounce. we have 1 ounce. Now I can say we have ounces, guys, as you can see on the background. Now we're talking ounces, guys, not ounce. Okay, guys. Yes, guys, it's motivating for us as well to see our stack grow, guys. Okay, this is our full stack, guys. Okay, we're just growing it bit by bit, and then we just adapted to the new price, guys, of the silver coin, guys. Yes, we just adapted to it, guys. Okay, we just changed our staking strategy. As we mentioned, we're not gonna stop since we started. We are new stackers. It's impossible for us to join the team that have decided to just put a break. It was really impossible. Yes, because of the new prices, guys. It was really impossible for us because we were motivated and the price changed, and we refused to be demotivated by the price change, guys. We just said, okay, let's go back to the drawing board and then see where we can tweak, guys. We found that, okay, we can tweak by reviewing our staking strategy, guys, and then we said, okay, we'll just tweak and change the staking strategy, guys. Okay, guys. I think after this one, guys, after this video, guys, we're gonna show, guys, because we've been talking about starting a tube, guys. Okay, after this video, guys, our next video we'll be showing with
coins.
Yes, creating a tube, guys. Our first tube, guys. We're gonna be starting creating our first tube. We're very excited. We can't wait to do it. Yes, guys, to create the tube, guys. Okay,
you can leave the comment below and tell us which coins we should put on the tube.
Yeah, guys, you can leave a comment below, guys, which we should consider to put on the tube, guys. Okay, all right, guys, but for us, let's just be clear, guys, it's gonna be the Kruger Rand. But you can just leave us a comment as an advice, whether we're on the right path or you think you beg to differ, guys, on our strategy. Yes, guys, because the reason we're starting with the Kruger Rand, guys, it's because of the price, guys. The price change, guys. If we feel it's logical, yes, it's logical, guys, for us to start with a mint that we are in, guys, South African mint, to be easily accessible, the Kruger, for us, guys. We won't be having those extra charges, guys, for other coins, guys. But not that we are saying that we won't be stacking other coins. We will be stacking the other coins, but the tube that we're gonna be starting with, it's going to be the Kruger, guys. We find it that it's going to be the easiest to start with the staking, guys. The Kruger, guys. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just going to start with that one. This one.
Yes.
This is going to be our first tube, guys. Okay. On our next video, guys, we'll be doing tubes, guys. I think we're gonna start with 3 tubes, but the first one that's gonna keep growing faster, that's gonna grow at a faster rate, it's this one. Not that we're not gonna create other tubes, we are going to create other tubes, but
this one it's already growing more than the other.
Exactly, as you can see on the floor, guys, that Kruger, it's really growing faster than the other ones. There is more of it than the other ones. Okay, this one just to just brighten the stack, guys. They just to brighten the stack, nothing special or anything, just to brighten the stack, just to put that color on the stack, guys, because you can't just have tubes, that's all you do. You feel a little bit demotivated. You just need to see something
like
of
beauty,
this kind, guys. Just this beauty on its own, it's going to motivate you to stack even more, guys. All right. Just to see something is beautiful, it will motivate you, guys. Not that we're gonna be creating tubes on this one, no. It's just to lifen the stack, guys, put color on the stack, guys. All right, so we're just gonna be tidying up on our next video. When you say tidying up, guys, creating a tubes,
yeah,
that will be the way we're gonna be starting to tidy up. Not like, because we can see that's our stack is growing, and soon we won't have much room to display most of our coins, guys. Okay, as we go along, we won't have that much room. So yeah, we'll start.
I think that's going over the table now.
It's really going over the table. It's going over the lens. It's going over. Yes, guys. We would never thought we're gonna be saying it's going over when we started
with that one.
With this one, we never thought we were gonna be one day saying it's going over. We're going to be starting a tube. We never thought, but we had that in mind. But we thought it was going to be
maybe next year
a process, guys, a long process. Yes, guys. And then after the tube, guys, I think we're gonna be starting implementing our new strategy. Yes, I think after the tube we're gonna start implementing the new strategy, which will gonna suit our budget, because mostly it all falls under the budget, guys.
Because we are saving with it, buying this coin.
Exactly,
it's
guys.
Like we are saving.
Yeah, it's just we are like
not like to
preserving.
Show off.
Yeah, it's not anything like that, guys. Okay, yeah, just motivate the other stakers, guys, that have not started to please start. To just start. It is possible, guys. I always say it in each and every video that it is possible, guys. Just pursue and then learn, and then we all learn along together, guys. There is comment below. You can leave a comment. You know, we can maybe give advice on what we know. We seek advice elsewhere, and we get answers, guys. Just learn along and then continue staking, guys. Okay, all right, guys.
Don't forget
to like and subscribe, guys.